Can y'all hear me pretty good? Pretty well? All right, cool. So we Stevens, father, son owned, obviously. He's standing up here. We started about 2017. We got a little quick thing there, but we started in 2017. So quick backstory on us is his dad, my grandfather, actually taught us when we was young. I've actually been working since I was 8. Fun fact for people, they're like, what? So started off, he always like to say I had a blower. So I used to haul the blower around trying to help out grandpa. So did that every summer. I got a lot of work ethic from it, you know, learn how to edge, weed eat, things like that. So when you're young, and I tell people like I'm 20 and I'm like, hey man, I got like 12 years experience. And they're like, how do you have 12 years experience? I was like, that's my granddad and my dad, I don't know. So I got all the experience you need. So, and he's been doing this for a very long time. We're not gonna kill him on that, but we got 30 years experience combined. So once we did that, I came to him in 2017 and said, hey man, why don't you do this for yourself, you know? And I help him out. So I do all the back end stuff. So I do all the marketing, our website, taxes, routing, customer management, database, invoicing. I do it all. So if y'all hear from us, it's really me, but I let him, you know, do that. But he helps with the customer service. He does all the work. Gene saw some of his good work. Y'all see that. Fertilizations, trimming, all that. So this is a skilled man right here. I can do it all too, but again, I'm in Texas, so. So yeah, so this is there. That's actually our first picture. That was our first logo. We changed it, but that was our first logo. They said it was hard to see, so I'm like, whatever. So that's our first mower he started with. I don't know where he got that from. Where'd you get that from?
It came with the trailer. I bought a trailer. Y'all threw it in. I only used it like 3 times and it fell apart.
He was
So.
like, he called it the turtle. He was like, I got the turtle. I'm like, where'd you get this from? We got that, so I came down and I got him that. No, that was our first commercial mower right there. It's a belt drive. It's not great, but that was what we started off with. This 2018, he was driving the SS10 still. We had got a little better trailer and a better mower. You know, we got an updated picture. We're still rocking the old logo at this point. This is the year that I had so in Texas, I'm an IT manager, just so y'all know. So I got a computer science degree, 5 certifications. I'm really good with technology. So in the corporate jobs I work at, we got a marketing team, and they were just like, you gotta change your logo. And I'm like, do I have to though? I really like this logo. They was like, you gotta change it. So that's the new logo. We bought an enclosed trailer in 2019, sorry. And we got us a mower. We upgraded the truck. We got him a Tacoma at that time. So we were super excited. Of course, we got our new shirts that we like to look good in. So that was great. It was a good year actually. So just everyone here, we all went through COVID. So I was super excited this year. Just saying, I was like, oh man, we grown. Got an enclosed trailer, man. All these customers, it was great. So I don't even have 2020 on here because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was depressed. so I was super depressed. So usually I'm the one that just makes it all go, and this man, he held it together for 2020 because I was checked out. This man was talking, he's like, dude, you want to invoice the customer? And I was like, I guess. I mean, we don't got but a couple, they all left. So I mean, if you want me to. But he held it together, that's why we still here. So. In 2021, I convinced him to go ahead and get some certifications. So he's fertilizer certified. He's also certified with best management practices. So if any of you guys are worried about if we actually know what we're doing, if the 30 years doesn't convince you, he's also certified. So we started pressure washing, and we got a new truck. That's the other truck. We got us a V8 Ford F-150, 2013? 14, yeah. So we got that going on. So we joined the chamber as well at the end of last year. So we've been here about 1 year. You guys have been very helpful. You guys met Zach. He's been up here, I've been up here. We've been to a couple events. We really like it. We like Mike's very helpful every time. He recognizes me coming and say, hey man, you visiting again? I'm in town, I'm here. So I like coming up here. So 2020, massive expansion year for us. We ended up adding crews, we got a new trailer. We got I think we got 3 crews out now. We had a massive blow up this year. That's that's our fleet right there. So we get to call it a fleet now. So. Fleet. You know, so.
Or that was the other truck. So.
Yeah, the other truck, man. I got a fleet now. And then I got a full commercial standard this year as well. So it's a lot of growth. It's been really good for us. So I just like telling people about our comparison. So last year we was still a one-man show. We call it 1.5, but we can't find any good help last year. It was horrible. So we had 68 customers, and then 2022 came along. I revamped some of our marketing, some of our invoicing, some of our prices. Surprisingly, I know we all business owners in here. I charge more money. I've had way more customers. I was super nervous about that, but I raised my rates and like the phone started ringing. I was like, that is odd. Maybe I need to raise it again. I don't know. It was really weird. So we got 3 crews now. We went from 68 customers last year to 220 plus. I think it was 240.
240.
It was like 240-ish, right before. You said what? Oh yeah. The chamber, B&I, both groups doing really good. We got a lot more commercial mowers and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what we got going on. I just wanted to let y'all know that. Now I'm gonna show y'all some of the work, so y'all can see that. So, and this is mostly him, by the way. So y'all know. That's all that first part. That's all me. The real work is him. So we cutting grass. This is some of the basic mowing, weed whacking, edging, blowing, normal stuff you guys expect. Hedge trimming. So this is before and after. So we got that going. You know, we'll clean up your palmettos. We got that. Pressure washing. We're just showing that again. This usually we focus on the off season. This is just from like November to February-ish. We'll kind of try to do pressure washing, clean up lanais, porches, things like that. Fertilization, can't really see it in this picture, but it's a lot of bare spots and patches, very patchy. And this was that was 5 weeks. So we did this in like February this year, and that was in the March. Yeah, in the March, grew in pretty well. So we do fertilization again, certified fertilization. So we just come and look at it, figure out what you guys need. Leaf cleanups. We filled this bag up. It's actually a recent job. I was like, oh, I can throw that in there. You know, he's like, oh, you're in town, you can come with me. I was like, I guess. You know, put me to work. I was like, you know, the guys appreciate it though when they're out there. They're like, oh, okay, boss man can work. I'm not afraid. This is Jean. So over here, this is before. So she had a front corner, big bush. She wanted us to rip that out. You know, you can't see the side over here, but you know, I think that was one of her things. It was like towering the house, right? She was like, hey, can you guys cut that down? She wanted us to remove the front bush, and then there was another one on the corner. So as you can see, it's very clear here. So she was like, can I? What was it? Couldn't see the side of it. He was like, I can see out the window. She was super excited. She's like, she's never seen this transformation. So, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, he sent me the pictures. I'm like, she wants what done? It was like, I was like, all right, cool. You want to knock it out? He did that, by the way. But yeah, we got that knocked out, and this is the crew. So we got Phil and his lady. We got Kenny down here with his son. We got Ronald, me and my dad, my little sister. So my little sister helps us out with phones. So if y'all call, be nice to her. She's trying her best. Sometimes she tries to do too much. She wants to sell them on the phone. I'm like, you don't know enough. She's like, yeah, but I'm trying to get a sale for you guys. I'm like,
You want a commission?
she's trying to get that commission. She's like, I'm gonna get a sale. I'm like, you gave him the wrong number. I gotta come back. I'm like, it's my little sister, man. I'm sorry. I'll come out. We'll figure it out. But yeah, that's the guys that got information here. If you guys need any business cards, or y'all know anybody, or if y'all got any questions, if y'all wondering if I didn't cover it all, I don't know. Yeah. Any questions? No, I guess they got it. Steven.
Thank you.